The point of doing this is to just give the hardcore smackdown to gasoline cars.
After 2020 pretty much crashed and burned for everyone out there, there have been many reasons to look forward to 2021 and everything it's going to bring us. But one significant reason why anyone interested in automobiles is looking forward to the new year is because of all the cars that have already come out or will do later in this year. Let's take a look at the list of most anticipated cars of 2021.
You think of a car like the mid-engine Corvette and performance cars in general, the expectation for what that car is set so high by the exterior.
Number 10. 2022 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. The new mid-engine Corvette landed this year, and the track-oriented Z06 is likely to earn another round of appreciation when it lands later in 2021. The car will be delivering more than 600 horsepower and will include wider tires and bigger brakes with a newly tuned suspension. This variation is kind of a big deal, since having the world-class design and perfectly balanced performance without the price of Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and McLarens is just icing on the cake. Moreover, new variations in the model include modernized sensors for monitoring vehicle dynamics, better cooling courtesy of improved airflow, smoother power delivery thanks to engine geometry improvements, and greater downforce as a result of better aerodynamics. The best part? According to analyst estimates, the Z06 is expected to remain under $100,000, making it a pretty sweet deal. Number 9. 2021 Volkswagen ID.4. Debuting the brand's all-electric MEB platform is Volkswagen's first purpose-built electric car that all automobile geeks are looking forward to. It is modular for greater adaptability to different vehicle types and has been designed to simplify electric powertrain hardware. To conclude, it's shaping up to be quite the EV surprise of the year. Not only does it have a strikingly sleek, toy-like design, but it's extremely eye-catching and attractive. What's more, the optional glass roof lends a clean and bright interior look. And the electric chops this EV comes with will win over consumers' hearts by being the most affordable EV to have debuted thus far. Its 201 horsepower, 82 kilowatt-per-hour powertrain, while delivering an estimated 250 miles of driving range, gives it a crossover edge that is more than enough to match people's daily driving needs. And of course, having a $32,495 starting point makes it well within reach for potential buyers. Number 8. Rivian R1T. You might need to have an acquired taste for this wedge-shaped, stainless steel-clad Cybertruck by Tesla. So if you're looking for a normal electric pickup truck, you'll have to look elsewhere. However, if you want an appealing truck with fully modern styling without it looking like a cartoon sideshow, then the Rivian is probably the most promising alternative. Moreover, its 4-motor all-wheel drive, a startling 0 to 60 time of 3 seconds, and 3 feet of weighting capability surely makes it a killer ride. The Cybertruck has also been tested across some wild terrain in recent times and is set to debut in June at $75,000 for the launch edition. It also comes with a semi-autonomous drive capability thanks to 5 radars, 11 cameras, and 12 ultrasonic sensors. However, the 14 inches of ground clearance and 11,000-pound towing capability is sure to raise the eyebrows of many pickup fans.
Introducing the Bronco Wild Fund. Created by Ford.
Number 7. 2021 Ford Bronco. The new line of Bronco off-roaders was revealed in July 2020 by Ford when the world was in peak quarantine mode. That lockdown fatigue could have easily been the reason for it being a big hit. But fortunately for its consumers, the burly retro SUV has a lot going on. There are already people making reservations at dealers for when Broncos arrive in mid-2021 for its 35-inch tires, a broad range of off-road models for all types of terrain, and a new advanced 4x4 system which is key in keeping novices out of trouble and allowing off-road professionals to push their trail bashing to the limit. If you need a truck to get through rough terrain, then the Bronco is the perfect fit for you, with its 7-speed manual crawl ratio. However, if you're in a hurry and can't wait to get your hands on anything Ford Bronco, then you can always go for the Bronco Sport, a smaller and more affordable alternative.
I'm Korean American, and this is the definition of what Korean American is, and I'm writing the history of what that means right here, right now.
Number 6. 2021 Genesis GV80. The still new luxury car manufacturer Genesis was launched in 2017 by the parent company, Hyundai, which means it still has yet to fully embed itself in the collective consciousness of American car buyers. Even though the first 3 sedans, the G70, G80, and G90 have been critical hits, it's likely that the new GV80 SUV is the car that's going to announce Genesis to the United States market. Of course, this is more so because of the US's enthusiasm for SUVs than it has to do with Genesis. A stylish cruiser with all the luxuries you would expect, like a sleek infotainment system and aromatic leather seating, the GV80 has a starting price of $40,900. This price is what makes it so much more accessible. It comes with a 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder generating 300 horsepower or a 375 horsepower 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6. Truly one of the best in performance and efficiency. But the best part about it is something you would hardly notice: intense silence.
The ones you'd do anything to protect. That's why Chrysler built a vehicle with the most standard safety features on the road.
Number 5. 2021 Chrysler Pacifica all-wheel drive. Delivering most of its benefits under spirited driving, on rough terrain and in the snow, the all-wheel drive is highly anticipated. If you want something to keep the family safe and secure in snow and ice, this minivan with the all-wheel drive feature is the car for you. Appearing only in minivans like the Toyota Sienna, the all-wheel drive can now be found in Chrysler's Pacifica. There's even a bit of second coming with recent redesigns that follows the company's decades-long dominance of the category. And giving customers something else to love like all-wheel drive is just another thing. Even though Chrysler's system is not engineered for torque vectoring around the racetrack, it can deliver 100% of power to the rear wheels if necessary, saving you on a slippery road without making it a drifter.
Ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the Q4 Sportback e-tron concept.
Number 4. 2021 Audi Q4 e-tron. This compact crossover is Audi's 4th fully electric vehicle that will go for sale in mid-2021. Thanks to an adaptive suspension and an 82-kilowatt battery pack that is said to generate 302 horsepower, the car has crisp styling as well as crisp handling. This EV can also be pushed to 60 miles per hour in only 6.3 seconds. Learning from its debut EV, the highly regarded but slow-selling e-tron SUV, Audi is heading back with a highly capable and seamless electric experience that comes from driving a technological powerhouse. So if you have your eye on this EV, then expect a well-thought-out infotainment system in a minimalist interior with easy connectivity and plenty of safety and driver assist features like emergency collision avoidance. Starting at around $45,000, it's another semi-affordable luxury EV in a market of relatively low-range electric cars.
For how it could be. That's how true greatness is realized. That is how you change the world.
Number 3. 2022 GMC Hummer EV SUT. GMC is all set to flip the once loved and also hated car for its obvious disregard for all things environmental into a fully electric SUV. With a 3-motor design that will generate up to 350 miles of range and as much as 1,000 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of just 3 seconds. The transparent sky panels that can be removed for an open feel give the car a fun yet lush feeling. Moreover, GM's Super Cruise technology offers hands-free autonomous driving capability on the highway. However, although it remains to be seen how well this first generation of electric trucks will fulfill its promises of performance and range, the Hummer is all set to be a wild ride with little to apologize for. Number 2. 2021 Hyundai Santa Cruz. The Santa Cruz sits a subset of truck built via unibody construction, a strategy that most pickups don't usually opt for, making it different from a traditional pickup crowd for people who are more interested in utility rather than raw power, since they have that handy open cargo space at the back of it. Since the success of the Ridgeline and the exceptional comfort it provides on the highway, it is likely that the Santa Cruz will be much similar. It will be built in Alabama and will most likely include a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder delivering 235 horsepower. When the concept was first debuted in 2015, the cool tricks about this pickup truck, like the extendable cargo bed and a built-in retractable tonneau cover, made it the talk of the town. Since most trucks do end up having at least one trick up their sleeve, we hope that some of it will survive production and actually make it out alive.
Tesla Roadster, people have asked us for a long time, when are you going to make a new Roadster? We are making it now.
Number 1. Tesla Roadster. The new hypercar by Tesla was unveiled in 2017 and promised production by 2020. However, the company has pretty much been silent since then, apart from the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, making a few tweets here and there. As it turns out, the car has been delayed due to technical challenges that surround its 3-motor powertrain, which needs to be addressed in order for the vehicle to be propelled to its promised top speed of more than 250 miles per hour. However, the truth is, the Roadster is not a top priority for Tesla. Instead, according to Musk, who told podcaster Joe Rogan in May, the company needs to make the push of the Cybertruck across the finish line, finish battery manufacturing centers in Berlin and Shanghai, and wrap up Model Y production. So it seems like there's quite some time before we get to experience the car's withering 1.8-second 0 to 60 time in the real world. And that's a wrap on most anticipated cars of 2021. What do you think about the relevant question to the video? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.